That looks like a murder wasp.
So we're kind of just putting all our trust into these arrows right now. Burkas with eggs? Ruins. We don't know where the hell we are or where we're going, but we're capping it at like 10 minutes more and then we're gonna turn around. So we're gonna do a little survival situation here. So right now, something pops out of the woods, attacks you, you're like immobilized.
What the fuck? What's wrong with you?
I didn't finish. Would you try and escape the woods? Or would you like, I don't know.
What other option would there be?
Like make a fire or something. Like, cause like imagine your leg is broken or something.
I would call my mom.
Walked at least 5 miles and we went right back to the entrance and looked down and there was a sign that said God's Tunnel. So now we really have to, at least we found it.
No.
It's all my,
We've been walking for 2 hours.
we've been walking for 2 hours. Finally made it. Pretty good. Yo. We almost gave up. Creepy. No. This is a cold spot in the ghost world.
Arrows, it says this way. We only got
Yeah, right.
I don't want those freaking demons.
Oh my god, that is so scary.
Demon dogs. Yo, there's no way that it was this long.
No way. It's a parallel universe, dude.
Look how short it looks.
Empty building. Rockstar bitch. Oh wait, there's little weird things over here. What the heck are those? Okay. Back.
Look at it, they like ran away before they finished the play.
My heart, Kelly.
Do the stairs too!
It's like a Yo, if I hear one sound, I'm leaving. Oh, hell no. Look at that fucking chair.
That's the room with the colorful pillars.
Oh my god,
That's
you're
the
telling
room
me
with
we
the-
have to go in there.
Yeah, but we can go around the other side.
Oh my god.